Hello and welcome to one and only Prabha.
Hi everyone, this is the Dell P2419H. This is the professional variant and it is of 24 inches and it is from this year 2019. So let me go ahead and open and see what is there in this. So we have the instruction booklet and this is the mount. This is where the monitor would go.
So we have got this from the Dell exclusive showroom. We have not done an online purchase.
This has the
Logo.
and this is the height adjustable compartment. This monitor has the advantage of being able to adjust the height. The other one, the S series, does not have the height adjustment, it's just the tilting. So now as you can see, you can tilt it, and at the same time this can also be adjusted. So this automatically locks into place if the monitor is not mounted. So let me just add the base here. It goes here. So now I have, this is the base of that mount. This is what we get inside this.
Okay.
So here, as you can see, they provided a screw which can be used to tighten with the mount.
Okay.
So we just plug it in like this and then screw this tight. Put this back in place. So now your monitor is ready to stand.
Okay, perfect.
So let me keep this aside and let's see what else is there. So this is,
Can you bring it to the
this
front?
is the DPI cable. This is not the HDMI one.
Okay.
You have to have a HDMI cable with yourself, or you need to buy it separately. They don't provide it out of the box here. So this is the DPI cable. Some of the old HP laptops, the 640 series and the 840 series, they have this port. You can see this on your laptop. So this can be directly connected with that. But if you don't have this port, then you will have to go for the HDMI port or the VGA port. And this is the new USB port. I'm not sure whether this works on my laptop yet. I'll have to check this. And this, I believe, is the power cable.
To switch on the monitor.
Yeah, this is for the power unit.
Oh, okay.
So this port is standard on all the monitors, and this is the regular 3 pin. Okay. So that is all I have from the other activities. Let me just open it. This is the display. It's nice that they have provided room to take the monitor out. This is the monitor. So you can see slim bezels.
How many inches is this?
This is 24 inches in the diagonal, and so pretty cool.
Okay.
The
It looks
surface
very
is matte
sleek.
finish, and which has an anti-glare owing to its matte finish.
Perfect.
And if you can take a closer look here, you can see all the port that I mentioned. So this one is the one that connects to the USB, and this is the regular VGA port, and this is the DPI port that I was mentioning about, and this is your HDMI cable.
Okay.
And apart from that, there are also a couple of USB slots, and the one I like more are the 2 USB 3 slots that is available in this side. So if you are working and at the same time you also want to charge your mobile or charge some other device, you
It
can
has a
use this
USB.
too charge.
Oh, okay.
And alternatively, if you want to connect your USB 3 based external hard disk, that is also possible with this.
Perfect.
Okay, so that is, let me mount. Like this. So if you want to remove it, you press this button.
Where is the button? Oh,
Let me
it's
remove
dark.
it. You have to press this button to remove.
Okay.
So you have to put it in like this.
While putting it, should we press the button?
No, not required. Just
Okay.
put it in like this and then press it back. You'll hear a click sound.
Okay.
That means it's locked in place.
Perfect.
So now it tilts.
Just a second. Okay.
So now it's able to tilt and it's able to go up
Oh,
and
wow.
down. And there is also a swivel. So if you keep it like this, it can
Oh,
move
very
this side.
nice. Perfect. So it gives a professional look. So you have to try. How much does it charge?
Uh,
It charges around 16K.
Yeah, roughly around. I
Ru-
mean, you have some deals on Amazon that give you at some 14K.
Yeah.
Or if you walk into the outlet, you can probably get it for some 15K. But overall, this is roughly around 50.
Perfect, perfect. So do try this. If anybody are going to buy a monitor, you can surely watch this unboxing video. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.
Thank you.